What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today we will be performing a ceiling fan install right here in the bedroom. I think it's going to be pretty simple. I've done it before, but I just want to show you guys, like always in these videos, that anybody can do it. I'm going to try my best to simplify it. I'll let you guys know. Don't be scared of a task. Read your instructions. Watch YouTube videos. You can get it done. Alright, let me get the power turned off. We're going to get started. Alright guys, we're going to be installing today a 52-inch rock port. It's a Hampton Bay in the bedroom. I like the colors on this thing. I'm telling you, everything should be in there. Mount everything. Should be a very simple install. Alright, stay with me guys. Anybody can do this, I'm telling you. Alright guys, when I'm installing something and it involves electricity, I like to keep the power on when I cut it off. As you can see, I left it on and the power is off. Now I'm also going to check it when I get up there, but that's just something I like to do just to make sure. And also I might even cut on the lamp or try to plug something up in the room to make sure everything is off. Triple check, quadruple check. Can never be too safe. Show you a quick and easy way of setting up and putting up your ceiling fan. And what we're going to do is the complete opposite of what the instructions tell you. The instructions tell us to put the fan up and then put the blades on. We're going to put the blades on, then put the fan up. That makes it 10 times easier, I promise you. All right, let's get these blades put on. We're going to work backwards, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, first off, what we're going to do, we're going to take those tabs off. And the way you take those tabs off in this, you got to work through this little hole right here. The little yellow tab tells you that, but a lot of people miss that. But that's the way we're going to take those off. And that's the way we're going to also put the blades on. Now that we got these little motor holder bolts off, we're going to assemble the blade holders. And we're going to put them on. We're going to put the blades on last. All you got to do is pull them on to those clips, and you can do that while they're up. 10 times easier. This way you can see what you're doing. When it's up and you're working through that little hole, it is hard, I promise you. See? Just like that. Alright guys, got the blade holders on. Next, I'm going to put on the light fixture. And like I told you, I'm working backwards. And this is all because it will help me when I'm up in the air. I don't have to hold anything up. I can do it all at waist level like I have it right now. And can really see what I'm doing other than holding my arms up in the air and all that old hard stuff. All right, guys, the ceiling fan bottom part has been completed. So now I can sit it, and it sits like a tripod. You can see, let me move you up a little bit. Now we're going to work on the top, and it shouldn't take long. We're going to have the ceiling fan up. All right, guys, I'm moving so fast I forgot a step. Forgot to put this plate on before putting this thing here on. So let me back that out. Put my wires through. Put these back through. All right, guys. Assembly is complete. Putting it on backwards to me is way easier than putting this in the air and then putting all this stuff on, putting the lights on. All I gotta do now is hang this up with my bracket, which is too easy, and this is done. All right, let me get my bracket up and on, show you guys how to do that also, but I'm also show you the finished product. Too easy. All right, guys, got it hooked up, got the lights on. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to put the blade on. I'm gonna record this with one hand if I can and slide this right on. Hold on here, let me find it with my eyes first. If I wasn't recorded, I'd have had this on. But see how I got it on there? And then I just pull it. And there you go. Now, if you'd have put all that on and still tried to put that in there after that, you'd have some trouble. But to me, putting it on backwards is your best bet. Let me get the rest of these on and we're gonna turn the fan on. All right, let's see if we put it up right. No smoke so far. I think we got it, guys. Like I said, you know, put everything on that you can and then put it up. Will make it 10 times easier. All right, guys. Till the next video, don't forget to comment. Papers blowing everywhere. Like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.